Queen of the Island?
Well, sinabi ko naman sa inyo na hindi pa ako tapos, di ba?
Wow!
Hindi nyo lang alam kung ano yung pageant na sasalihan ko. Pero hindi pa talaga ako tapos. Alam ko marami pa yung bubuga. Naghahanap lang po talaga ako ng tamang panahon para mabigay ko ang final strike. And syempre nung nalaman ko na may Queen of the Islands, I found out kung what's at stake. I found out about the opportunity and kung gaano kadami ang matutulong sa premyo na to. I mean, why not? Why not try and keep trying until I finally have a crown on my head?
Inaalam mo ba to sa mami mo?
Hindi, syempre. Si Michelle D. Fashion, hindi ko sinabi sa aking mami.
So, alam na niya ngayon.
Hindi pa rin.
Hindi pa niya alam.
In true Michelle D. Fashion, malalaman niya sa news. Kasi ganun niya nalaman nung sumali ako sa Miss World. Nung sumali ako ulit sa Miss Universe. Pinapadalan ko na lang po siya ng ticket na dumating ko sa Pilipinas at manood na ang coronation.
Michelle D, you've joined numerous pageants na at the
My
past. So ano yung atake mo ngayon sa Queen of the Island?
Atake ko, alam mo, mas freeing ako this time. Nakakapaglaro ako, mas makulit ako, mas daring. How do I disclose this without disclosing some of the things that us queens know what to do? It's a very different format of a pageant. Some of the things that are happening, hindi nyo inaasahan na mangyari inside a pageant. And truly naman with what we're doing, iintindihan niya din po eventually kung bakit 25 million po ang premyo. I'm very, very excited po, very lucky, and very nervous also. Kasi alam ko naman po, bardagulan ang pageant. Hindi ko ina-expect na medyo madami pong Miss Universe, medyo madami pong artistas, medyo madami pong, so it's a different energy sa na-experience ko. So I'm excited for the challenge, naman na I love a really good challenge.
Michelle, among the co-candidates, sino yung pinakaka-close mo?
Pinaka-close ko so far, naku, some of the candidates na in-announce, kasi nung nag-announce po sila, hindi po namin alam lahat kung sino yung mga ibang dumadating. Alam ko lang kung sino dumating sa araw ko. Ka-close ko naman halos 80% of them. Nakatrabaho ko sa ibang serye. Si Sanya, sila Shuvi, syempre nakasama ko sila sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. But in terms of, let's say, other beauty queens, si Atisa ka-close ko, si MJ ka-close ko, si Kazili ka-close ko, lahat ng Miss Universes nandyan, ka-close ko, lahat ng most of the artistas, kilala ko din. Kaya it's going to be a very, very interesting.
Follow-up question, if you're going to have a hand-to-hand, kung sino yung makakahawak mo ng kamay sa dulo, sino kaya ito?
Sino gusto niyo?
Yeah.
I don't mind naman kahit sino naman, basta yung kamay ko nasa taas.
Michelle, we still can't get over your iconic gown in your previous pageant. So now that you're here in Queen of the Islands, kaya mong higitan pa yung iconic Mark Gumgarner gown.
Masasabi ko ang aking performance dito ay hihigit at hihigit po sa kahit anong pageant na nagawa ko in the past and siguro gagawin ko.
May specific plans ka ba para sa 25 billion pesos?
Marami po, napakadami ko pong matutulungan not just with my advocacy. So I wanted to open my own chapter for my autism group and I think that's something that I can do with that money. It's truly a big amount. I mean, when you compare it to other pageants, marami ka po talagang magagawa sa 25 million. National pageant pa lang yung 25 million. Yung hope ko sana mag-international din sila kasi baka maging 100 million.
Hindi daw po kailangan 25 million dahil mayaman naman ito.
Ay, hindi naman po.
Aside from that, ano pa po ang reason kung bakit ka po talaga sumali ng Pilipinas?
I mean, I know that I've been very good with my finances, but sa mga hindi nakakaalam, muntik na po ako mag-zero ng Miss Universe. Kasi sariling pera ko po yung nilalabas ko sa voting, sa foundation ko. And if hindi po yung naging successful, siguro I would have started from zero. So even since my pageant, pag uwi ko, kahit hindi ako nanalo, I was really smart about my money. Pero it doesn't mean na unlimited po yung pera ko kasi nagtatrabaho lang din po ako. Pero marami din po akong pangarap. And, we can only do so much when you're public figures to have the opportunity to get this kind of money. Hindi naman po biro ang 25 million. Ang dami po po talaga. And if it's just about skills or qualities, syempre, abangan nyo na lang kung ano yung magagawa ko. May mga negosyo, marami po talaga akong matutulungan. Not just with myself and my personal life, but out with it.
Why should Michelle win Queen of the Islands?
I believe I deserve to win Queen of the Islands because, I have so much left to offer. I have so much more to prove to my fellow kababayans. And like I said, hindi pa ako tapos. So I'm very excited to show all of you what I have in store.
Yes.
Thank you.